Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You already have monitors connected. Now open display settings so you can assign images per screen. First, right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings, or go to Settings Right Arrow System Right Arrow Display. Once in, click Identify to show numbers on each monitor. This tells you which screen gets which wallpaper. Make sure scaling and resolution are correct so images won't stretch. Next, scroll to Multiple Displays and arrange them to match physical layout before selecting backgrounds. You'll now pick images and assign them individually. Open Background Settings and select Picture or Slideshow. If you use the Photos app or File Explorer, right-click an image and choose Set for Monitor 1, 2, or the appropriate number. This applies different wallpapers simultaneously. Alternatively, browse within Background Settings and click the desired image, then use the contextual set for monitor option. Make sure to use images that match each display's resolution and orientation to avoid visible distortion. Finish by confirming the chosen wallpapers appear on the correct monitors. You can lock your screen or sign out and back in to validate. If images aren't applied, make sure you saved and applied changes, then restart Explorer or the PC. For advanced layouts or wallpaper spanning, consider a reliable third-party tool. Once done, ensure GPU drivers and Windows updates are current. If problems persist, try a simple workaround. Set each image from File Explorer with a right-click and reassign.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.